Guys, I changed my earrings because the freaking other pair broke. It was very flimsy. Anyway, so today I'm gonna do a Duradry unboxing. I have unboxed their products before. I've tried them out and they were very, very great. If you struggle with armpit smell, there's a lot of sweat conditions out there that you sweat profusely, and obviously smell happens, you know. Or if you just tend to sweat a lot, if you have anxiety sweats, basically if you tend to smell, you know, even if you shave and use deodorant, you tried everything, well, this brand is for you because it works. Ever since I've tried this brand, I don't really smell anymore, so I wish I had this whenever I was in middle school and high school, but oh well. I'm almost 30 and I barely found a product that works, so they reached out to me. Well, actually no, I reached out to them again because they didn't pay me for a paid collab, but I did reach out to them months later to be like, hey, why didn't you pay me? What's up? What's going on? Basically they said they couldn't pay me for the content I created. So I was like kind of annoyed, a little upset to be honest, because especially if you need the money and you don't have a job, and imagine then saying, oh sorry, I'm not gonna pay you anymore, like what? But I don't blame them. I did take a while to post and to reach out to them to ask them, hey, where's my money, you know. So I get that. And actually, what else did they say? I think they moved to a different platform, so it's easier to track like posts and like paid collabs or campaigns or something like that. I can't remember, but basically I didn't get paid. So they were like, you know what, I'll just send you free products instead to make up for it. I was like annoyed. I was like, no. It's not gonna fix the issue, but I was like, you know, whatever. I love their products. I need to stop being annoyed. Like, at least they're being nice and sending me free products for not paying me instead. I was like, all right, I gotta calm down. So I accepted and they sent me this. So that's basically how I got this. This is not paid. I really hope they do more paid campaigns, because I'm really hoping I do get paid next time. I'm obviously not gonna get paid for posting this. This is just a kind gesture they did for not paying me. So if you work with them, just keep that in mind. They might not pay you, and if they don't, please message them quick, so send proof, or just I guess you'll receive free products. I don't know, but I'm just sharing, giving a warning, heads up for content creators, because usually people get scammed. If you're a content creator, usually it sucks. So I'm just trying to help everyone out there, you know. So this is their brand logo. These products I own and I love and I still use, so I wish they sent me more deodorant instead, but it's fine. But I didn't choose anything. They just sent whatever they wanted. So their brand is nice, not gonna lie. Oh, they just sent me an email. That's so weird. Speaking of the devil, or how's that saying? Yeah. Anyways, this is a sponge. It's not anymore. Okay, cognac. I don't know how to say it, but cognac exfoliating sponges. So these come in 4 packs. Never tried these type of sponges before. I just don't use sponges when I shower, especially because mildew produces in sponges and loofahs. That's why I don't like to buy those things to shower. It's moldy. It can get disgusting unless you replace it like every week, every 2 weeks, at least every month, you know. But it's just no. I don't like it. But hey, maybe these are great. So these are made from cognac, which is a tropical plant that grows in Southeast Asia. Whoa, that's pretty cool. And has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine and Japanese cuisine. Wow, that's pretty dope. So these are ideal for daily skin exfoliation and deep cleansing, okay? And they will help remove impurities, oil, and buildup. So these I probably use it for my armpits. That's my struggle area. So you basically just rinse under warm water before each use and just with circular motions like that exfoliate, and that's pretty much it. And you have to hang it to dry. Replace every 1 to 2 months. 2 months is way too long for me. So yeah, like I said, you have to keep repurchasing, which is kind of annoying, right? But I don't have anything to exfoliate, so like tools or anything, so that's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's like a ball. It's very hard, very rough. I don't like it. I think it's gonna be too intense for my sensitive skin, but it does come with like a string, so they're like circular small balls. Very, very, very hard, sturdy. They're not bendable or malleable. They're very stiff, hard, like so rough. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. This is not me being petty, this is me being honest, by the way. Yeah, let's hope I like it. I'm gonna try it out and maybe do a review at the end of the video. I don't know, we'll see. Obviously I'm not gonna do a try on because I'm not gonna show you how I look in the shower, like, no. But maybe if it was paid, but it's not, so I'm not even gonna do the effort. I'm just gonna show you how it looks and that's it. So I think I have a booger. No, I don't want to rip it though because well, freak it, it's not free, so I shouldn't care. So I'm gonna open it. I mean, it's not paid, so it's not letting me. Let me get scissors or something. Yeah, they probably don't like me anymore and they won't pay me or send me any future products because I just put them on blast. But hey, nobody can buy me. Like, I'm gonna say it how it is. So yay. It smells fishy and strong chemically, but a little bit like clean. Girl, it smells weird. I don't know why there's a scent. Smells fishy, whatever. So ta-da, it looks like a project. Like, it feels like those science projects in elementary where you had to do the planets, the solar system, and those styrofoam balls. Like, you would paint them maybe and put it like in those big if you're a 2000s kid, you had to do those bulletin boards. I forgot, no, those freaking projects in elementary where you had to buy like a big cardboard box and then do like a science project. Girl, I don't freaking know how it's called, but and then I think they used to be like first, second, third place. Some, I think, I don't know. Anyways, point is, it reminds me of a science project for elementary, you know. But it's because like it's so dry and it's so like it's pretty interesting though, so maybe I'll like it. I'm talking crap, but I'm probably gonna like it. So don't knock it out until you try it, or however you say that. Don't knock it out until you try it. Girl, I don't freaking know, but I didn't shave today. I did shower. But okay, I'm gonna try next time and do a review. Let's hope it works. Let's hope. If not, I'll give it away like always. But it's pretty cool. It's interesting. It's new. It's innovative. I like it so far. So yay! Thank you, Duradry, for sending me this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just mainly wanted to do unboxing today. So yay! Bye. Thanks for watching.